A Michigan Moment Snapshot.
Before Pontiac was a General Motors town, it chased prestige. Around 1909, the Welch Motor Car Company moved into this brick factory and aimed high. Welch didn't sell cheap transportation. These were touring cars priced between $4,000 and $8,000, built for buyers who wanted polish, not speed alone. Newspaper ads promised refinement and reliability, and the company claimed orders from major cities even before full production ramped up. The factory itself signaled confidence: 3 stories, wide windows, electric power nearby. Welch cars showed up at Detroit auto shows, sharing floor space with brands that would soon dominate the industry. But Michigan's early auto boom was crowded and unforgiving. Welch never scaled fast enough, and within a few years, the name faded. The building stayed. The ambition didn't. And Pontiac moved on to its next act.